The Cypriot nationality law dates back to 1967. It is mainly based on jus sanguinis. Commonwealth citizenship. Cypriot citizens also have Commonwealth citizenship and therefore, if they are settled in the UK, have the right to stand for and be elected to the House of Commons of the United Kingdom. Citizenship of the European Union. Cypriot citizens are also citizens of the European Union and thus enjoy rights of free movement and have the right to vote in elections for the European Parliament. Acquisition of citizenship. There are several ways to become a Cypriot citizen: being married to a Cypriot national, having Cypriot origins, naturalization, new baby born, marriage to a Cypriot national. The first, being married to a Cypriot national, requires one to be married for at least 3 years, and have completed 2 years of residency in Cyprus prior to the date of the application. The documents required are: birth certificate of the applicant, certificate of clean criminal record of the applicant, marriage certificate, birth certificate of the couple's children, certificate of acquisition of the Cypriot citizenship of the Cypriot spouse, statement of harmonious cohabitation signed before an officer of the District Administration Office of the Diplomatic Authority, statement of cohabitation from the local authority. The application should be submitted in duplicate and one of the 2 application forms should bear 2 stamps worth €8.54. Photocopy of receipt for the amount of €300 paid as fees. Having Cypriot origins. To apply through this method, one must be over 18 years old, and naturally, have Cypriot origins, as long as they were born abroad after the 16th of August 1960 and whose father at the time of birth was a Cypriot citizen, and by individuals born after the 11th of June 1999, whose mother was a Cypriot citizen at the time of the birth. Accompanying the application must be birth certificate of the applicant, marriage certificate of the applicant's parents, photocopy of the applicant's and the applicant's parents' passports, certificate of registration of the Cypriot parent, copy of proof of fees paid €20, stamp worth €8.54 attached to the application. Naturalization. Naturalization is referred to as the process for which a non-citizen of a country, in this case Cyprus, may become a citizen of the country. The process may be done via a statute or an application to the relevant authorities. In March 2014, the Cyprus Council of Ministers revised the scheme for naturalization of investors in Cyprus by exception as part of the government's attempt to attract foreign investors to the country. One of these attempts included a citizenship by investment program that granted applicants the right to live, work and study in Cyprus and in the European Union. According to Henley and Amp Partners, applicants applying for Cypriot citizenship through this citizenship by investment option must actively invest in the Cyprus economy by purchasing state bonds, investing in financial assets of Cypriot entities, purchasing real estate, acquiring or incorporating companies operating in Cyprus, among others. New baby born. According to the Republic of Cyprus Citizenship Law of 1967, anyone born on or after the 16th of August 1960, and with at least one parent being a Cypriot citizen, automatically acquires Cypriot citizenship. Those who were born between the 16th of August 1960 and 1999 to a Cypriot mother abroad, however, do not automatically become citizens of Cyprus, but they may register after they turn 21 years old. travel freedom of Cypriot citizens. Visa requirements for Cypriot citizens are administrative entry restrictions by the authorities of other states placed on citizens of Cyprus. In 2016, Cypriot citizens had visa-free visa on arrival access to 159 countries and territories, ranking the Cypriot passport 17th in the world according to the Visa Restrictions Index.